Good night. My name is Sully Janet Manrique. Present to Danilo Cárdenas. Crow 21 20 53 28. My problem. Problem 1. Cash flow deficit. Problem 2. However, she said, where is work? Problem 3. Book per student in the Supreme child. Problem 4. Superior with both WEA certification. Problem 5. Bad administration does not pay social security and employer do not have employment contract. Problem 6. Poor communication with customer and supplier. Main character on the case. Character 1. Joaquín Pérez Rodríguez. Character 2. Father. Eliezer Reyes. Carlina Rodríguez. Character 3. Family. María Duque. Wife. Ana Pedro Sofía. Character 4. Ofelia, Osvaldo, Felipe, Rodrigo, Juan, Sebastián employees.